Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Totilo with the Aroma Hut Institute. Today we're going to be again exploring natural remedies for a healthy lifestyle using essential oils. And so today I want to look at how we can benefit from the essential oils for our weight loss journey. I have a new book available, Lose Weight with Essential Oil. And so we're going to be looking at some of the essential oils that are going to help you lose those extra pounds and get yourself fit. So stay tuned. Okay, so before we begin, we want to make an important note that essential oils are not the magic pill and they're not going to do all the work for you. You're still going to need to work them into your weight management program and use them to support your efforts, okay? Now, let's explore the top 5 essential oils for weight loss. Grapefruit. Our first essential oil is grapefruit oil. This is known for its uplifting and invigorating scent. Grapefruit oil has properties that can support your weight loss efforts. It contains compounds that helps boost your metabolism and reduce cravings. This is making it a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Now, to use essential oils like grapefruit, you can inhale it directly from the bottle, diffuse it in a diffuser at home, or you can dilute it with a few drops of a carry oil and apply it topically. Lemon oil. This is a popular essential oil known for its cleansing and detoxifying properties. Lemon essential oil can aid in digestion and support your body's natural detoxification process, which really can be beneficial for weight loss. Additionally, it's fresh and has that citrusy aroma that can uplift your mood and promote a positive impact and mindset during your fitness journey. You can add a few drops of lemon essential oil to your water or to a herbal tea, and this is a refreshing drink, or use it in a diffuser to enjoy its aromatic benefits. Peppermint. Now let's talk about peppermint essential oil. This cooling and refreshing essential oil can provide great support for weight loss. Peppermint oil has been found to reduce cravings and suppress the appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. It also has a natural energizing effect, which can be useful before workouts. You can apply diluted peppermint oil topically, inhale it, or even add a drop or two to a glass of water for its refreshing boost. Cinnamon essential oil. Okay, moving on, we're looking at cinnamon essential oil, a warming, very comforting essential oil that can assist with your weight loss efforts. Now, cinnamon in itself helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which can contribute to a better appetite control and reduce cravings. Its sweet and spicy aroma can also help curb those emotional eating habits. To enjoy the benefits of cinnamon oil, you can diffuse it in your home, apply it topically, which of course you'll need to dilute it, or add a few drops to your favorite healthy recipes. I also use cinnamon capsules. Now, this is actually the powder that you can get at the grocery store and make your own capsules, or you can purchase it at a health food store already made up. These will help regulate your insulin levels, helping you to not gain those extra pounds. Bergamot. And last but not least, we have our bergamot essential oil. This citrus floral essential oil has a unique ability to uplift your mood and reduce stress levels, which can be beneficial for your emotional eaters. So by managing your stress, you can avoid turning to food for comfort. Bergamot oil can be used in a diffuser. It can be applied topically. Of course, you want to dilute it. Or you can add it to a relaxing bath at the end of the day for a soothing experience. And there you have it, the top 5 essential oils for weight loss. Remember, while essential oils can be a helpful addition to your weight loss journey, there are really no substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Be sure to do your own research choose high quality essential oils. I talk about that a lot on this channel. And you want to consult a healthcare professional if you need to make sure that there's not going to be any counterindications using the oils with your medications that you might be taking. Essential oils can play a supportive role in your weight loss journey. And so in this book, you will find several ways to use essential oils to assist with your losing weight. The methods you choose will rely heavily on your personal goals, your current health status, and your inclinations regarding eating, working out, etc. So it's really up to you how you want to go with using essential oils. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips, and don't forget to share your experiences down below in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, get a copy of the book, Lose Weight with Essential Oil, on Amazon if you'd like to learn more about how to use essential oils for your weight loss. And we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.